everyone. Welcome to our playbook series. I'm going to talk today a little bit about coupons on your e-commerce site. We go through the same 5 steps for customers, see really good results. I'm going to go through each one of them and let's break it down. So step 1 is you want to add a teaser that kind of shows the offer in a very minimal amount of text using very minimal space on your actual website or on your mobile website. So it kind of swings in from the side, something like say 50%. Just show the offer. When they click on it, it should show the pop-up so they can enter their email to get the discount code. But if they close it, it also shows the teaser. So it does 2 things. It kind of just stays there. If you click on it, you can open up the pop-up. But if they close the pop-up, and this is where it's important, if they close it, it kind of stays on the left and follows them from page to page. It's also really important to, if they actually opt in for the coupon code, to stop displaying the teaser. There is no need to keep showing it over and over again as well. The other thing is the teaser is extremely high converting, so make sure you A/B test that offer. So we've seen results where you say save 15% plus free shipping will outperform save 15%. So make sure you're leveraging kind of your different messaging and offers that you're doing, and A/B testing, different imagery, different colors, and trying to bold some text. We've seen really good results where you just add a little bit of image and change the promotion just a little bit, and you can see kind of 50, 60, 70% increase in the number of emails that you're able to collect. The second thing is capture the email and number. So we're seeing a huge rise in phone numbers. So capture the email, then also capture the phone number to get the coupon code. We've also seen things where, hey, if you get the email, you get a coupon code. But if you also give the phone number, you double incentivize it. So then get the phone number and you get a bonus coupon code. So instead of getting like 15% off, you say, hey, you get an additional 10% when you have the phone number. The other thing is if it's on mobile, you can also do like a one-tap experience. So they get the 10% off if they get the email. And then on mobile, you can do a one-tap and get that, do automatically open up their SMS application on their phone. And they just have to submit to get that other promotion offer. The second thing is, and this is kind of a hot topic in some regards, should I show the coupon code? Should I not show the coupon code right away? Should I email the coupon code or should I just show it right away? And it's kind of if you want the revenue, you definitely want to show it right away, and make this a click to copy button where you copy the actual coupon code. So as soon as they come to the site, as soon as they enter their email, you show the coupon code, and you want to make sure it's a one-time use coupon code that expires because you got to create that urgency effect as well. So I would show it right away. Now, if your email deliverability is suffering, like you have your customers are complaining that your email keeps going to their spam box, only in that case do I recommend saying, hey, check your email inbox to get the coupon code. Only in that case would I recommend that. And the reason for it is you never want to take someone away from your site. The opportunity is now. Get them to take the coupon code, get them to actually, if you can, add that item to the cart as well, and then check out right away. So the goal is to keep them on your site, keep them engaged, get them to use the coupon code as quickly as possible. Now you also do want to send an email as well. So don't get me wrong, you definitely want to send the coupon code, because maybe they're on their phone or they're at work or they're somewhere else. You want to remind them, after 5-10 minutes, here's your coupon code. Maybe they could forward it on to their significant other. So you definitely want to send that email. Now, I also recommend to do a follow-up email 24 hours later and then an additional follow-up email 7 days later. Hey, by the way, we saw that you got this promo code. And then if you can personalize the email a little bit, based on kind of what they were doing on your site, the product they might have added to your cart, if you can combine any of those elements, that can make the entire offer more compelling. Now, we see this all the time. People say coupons like, welcome 10. Now, everybody knows that welcome 10 or just the word welcome is not a one-time use coupon code. You want to make it seem like you want it to be a one-time use coupon code if you can. Now, if your e-commerce system doesn't allow that, you want to make it look like a one-time use coupon code. That inherently creates that urgency effect, that kind of personalization effect that, hey, this is only for me. And I gotta use this coupon code, and it's gonna expire at some point in time. So I gotta use this. So if you can create some kind of urgency, I've seen people put timers in here, for example, that does really well. So create that kind of urgency where they have to talk to the person that needs to approve it, or they have to make a decision soon to make the purchase. The last thing is if they did get a coupon code, if they come and they didn't make the purchase, when they come back to your site, show them a little bit about that coupon code right in there with a banner. So this could be a top banner, this could be a bottom banner, this could be a sidebar, for example, but definitely show that coupon code on their next visit. So detect, hey, they're back on their visit, This is their exact same coupon code that they prompted them for, and they haven't made a purchase yet. So if all those things are true, show that banner, follow them from page to page, collect that revenue because you are giving that coupon code. So in summary, add a small teaser, keep it going progressively if they don't opt in, then show a pop-up to get the code. Show the code in the pop-up if you can, right away, immediately after they enter their email, and then send it as well, and also trigger a follow-up email if they don't make a purchase, and then display the coupon on their next visit as well. So the first 3 steps is about getting the email and showing a coupon code. The last 2 steps are about making them use the coupon code and realizing that revenue. Of course, I got some bonus tips for you. Now, if you can, you want to leverage as much data as you can. Now, you are giving them a discount. Now, you leverage that discount to get more customers, get that revenue. So if you can figure out what URLs they did, what categories they're on, and then send that data to Google AdWords, to Facebook, wherever you're retargeting them, because retargeting is much cheaper than a first-time visitor, because these are people that have been to your site. The correlation of them clicking and making a purchase is much higher, and the ad rates are much lower, so it's not as expensive to get them back on your site. So you show it all across the web with what they're interested in, and then hopefully they'll come back. And then if they do come back, you'll have this banner waiting for them as well. So leverage that data, pass that category value, pass the product they were on to your retargeting platforms like Google AdWords, and repurpose that and get them back on your site, and then get them to use that coupon code. The second thing I really love doing is set a one-time use coupon code, but also make sure it expires, right? You got to create that urgency, otherwise you're not going to collect the revenue. There is no need to use the coupon code if it's infinite. So definitely always create a little urgency around it with an expiration date. Hi, I'm Rishi. You can do everything I talked about and more with our platform. I'm happy to talk to you about this all day long. Feel free to book a demo with me. We're Digioh. We do pop-ups, quizzes, recommendations. Let us know how we can help you. And we're always excited to talk about this stuff. Thank you so much.